Journey into a world of wonder with Beautiful Bird, a captivating children's book born from a heartfelt poem about a mystical encounter with a hummingbird. This intimate tale weaves a story of courage, as young readers explore the bravery it takes to confront one's own shadow and uncover the extraordinary magic that resides within. Embark on a magical journey with Beautiful Bird and let the enchanting tale inspire the courage and magic within every child. Unlock the magic, embrace the adventure, discover the beauty within. Get your copy today, available at Amazon, Barnes & Noble.